Yeah. Here we are.
I was thinking about that.
We don't know where everybody else is, but there's going to be some penalties for the lack of donuts, Jim Hall.
It's stinking February 6th, Saturday morning, Men of Emmaus meeting.
That's right.
Where are you guys?
You guys are going to pray a full decade on a full rosary on your knees next time, as penance.
Amen.
All right, we made it. The meeting is official. We're going to read some scripture at some point and get some breakfast right after Patrick films me coming into the lot.